This breathing practice will reduce anxiety, calm your nerves, and keep you focused. Breath awareness. This breathing practice is the simplest and easiest to achieve. It can be done lying, sitting, or standing. First, prepare yourself by sitting, lying, or standing comfortably in your chosen position. Gently close the eyes and begin to bring the awareness to the breath. Begin by simply watching your breath come in through the nose, slowly down and into the belly. Watch your breath move out again, up, through the nose and out. You will begin to feel much calmer, more focused, by simply bringing the attention to the breath. Scan the body with your internal eyes and notice any part of the body that may be holding tension. The best areas to go to first are those that you know hold tension. This may be your shoulders, your neck, your legs, your hips, or the muscles of your face. Once you've located any area where you can feel that tension, imagine taking the breath to the muscles by inhaling. And as you exhale, ask the muscles to relax. Do this again, inhaling, taking your breath to those muscles, and ask them to relax. The muscles of your face, imagine they're melting from the bone. Your forehead is smooth and open, and there is a tiny smile on the lips. This instantly relaxes the muscles in your face. Breathing in and out. If there are any thoughts crowding your mind, gently ask them to leave. Imagine these thoughts like clouds in the sky, simply drifting across the sky. You can neither touch them, hold them, or keep them. Just stay watching your breath come in, watching your breath go out. Just continue to breathe. And imagine that your breath is settling down into the belly. Notice if the breathing is difficult. Notice if you find you're not breathing in or breathing out, but holding the breath. If this is the case, just continue to watch the breath coming in through the nose and follow it down into the belly as it slightly extends, and watch it come out again. Let's practice this for a few moments. Visualizing the breath moving into the body and the breath moving out. You're beginning to feel relaxed, focused, and calm. Practice this for as long as you feel comfortable doing so, or your timetable allows.